Hey everyone, me again. Um, if you recall, I tried the cheese ramen noodles from Samyang. Um, did do recall that it did have a nice cheese flavor, but it had some good heat to it um, that I've not experienced before. This one, uh, trying another one from Samyang. Sort of appeals to me on my Italian side, just because it's usually a very popular Italian dish. It is bulldog, bear with me, carbonara. I already opened the label because I've already cooked it. Hot chicken flavor ramen, which I think is pretty well the general thing with that company. Yeah, I'm giving it a try tonight just to see how it's like. As you can see, it smells pretty spicy. To be honest with you, I'm not exactly sure if it is going to have that carbonara feel, as far as I know. Let me set my phone down. Hopefully, that's a little better. Yeah, as you can see, give it a chance to let it cool down a bit. Yeah, good color on the noodles. Now the real question is taste. It kind of reminds me of carbonara. And yeah, there's the heat. It's not bad. Really strong heat to it. Yeah. Good taste. Because it is chicken flavor ramen, chicken would be ideal with it. Traditional carbonara, bacon, onions, some cooking wine with it. Yeah, I'll post a link to a proper recipe for chicken carbonara, just to give you an idea what that's like. This, because it is chicken flavor ramen. Yeah, some cooked chicken would probably do wonders with it. Now, I have a couple more packages left from this company. One of them, I can't remember what the one is, but the one in the infamous black packaging, which it starts to get hotter. And I've been looking around for the double heat one, so which will be on a date to be determined basis. This, like, it's hot, good heat to it. I like it because it's got that carbonara taste to it. If you're Italian like myself, definitely like it. You'll definitely be into the carbonara. But yeah, I definitely will buy this again in the future. Just make sure to cook it with some chicken and also a few other things. I'm not exactly sure what the Scoville units is for this particular one, but it's pretty good. I'd recommend it. But yeah, I do enjoy this. And it's done. But yeah, I definitely would try this again. Yeah, as you can see, question is, would you try it? Would you buy it? Yes, no, maybe. Leave answer why to one or the other. Yeah, that's basically it. It's finished. Got some good heat to it. I'm gonna get a glass of water just to numb the burning. But yeah, I'll definitely buy that again in the future. And yeah, that's basically it. If you like what you see with the video recording and stuff, by all means like, comment, subscribe. Also, if there's anything you think I should try down the road, by all means give it, let me know. Excuse me, getting those hiccups. By all means let me know and I'll look into it if it is feasible. If not, it's all good. Anyways, have a good night, stay safe, and wash your hands.